Coconut is designed to make managing sole traders higher margin for you while providing a fantastic experience for your clients. Coconut's the fastest route to a simple and efficient SA103S, but also helps stay connected to your sole trader clients throughout the year with our intuitive app and portal. Our app connects seamlessly to more than 25 different banks and credit cards so that you can start with one sole trader today, regardless of where they bank, and scale to an unlimited number. Unlike cloud accounting, Coconut makes the open banking 90-day reauthentication process really easy for your clients from their phone so that you can access their data whenever you need it. We already support thousands of accountants who can use our portal to access their sole trader clients' banking transactions, receipts, and notes in real time. Let's dive into a quick demo of the accountant portal. Here you can see your client in the client list, Coco Green, who runs a juice stand. When you click into your client, you can see that they have business transactions from Halifax and Monzo. You can click on a transaction like this one, and you can see the notes that your client has entered, and also the receipt that they've attached for the transaction. As you review the transactions, if there are any that are miscategorized, you can update the coding from our list of categories. Either select from the list, or you can search to find the one that you want. You can easily filter by tax year. Here I've selected the 2021 tax year, and on the left you can see the totals for each category, ordered by largest to smallest, so you can quickly sense check and click into anything that looks unusual. If you select a category, you get a list of the transactions that make up the total. From there you can recode transactions either individually or by bulk. You can get comfortable that your client's tax return data is accurate in minutes using this. You can even add a manual adjustment in case you need to add any income or expenses that didn't go through their bank accounts, or add adjustment for things like mileage or work from home allowances. Once you're happy that the data is accurate and you're ready to use the data to share with your client or complete a tax return, you have a few options. Firstly, you can export the transaction data to a CSV. Next, if I go to the Reports section, you can get a spreadsheet with the totals in each category for your chosen date range. And finally, if you use filing software like TaxFiler, you can copy across to TaxFiler in SNF format to complete the self-employment section of the tax return in just a few clicks. You select your tax year, copy code, then head into TaxFiler. In the self-employment section of the tax return, you click Import Accounts, choose the SNF format, then paste the code that you copied. Then validate, and you are ready to submit the self-employment part of your client's tax return. For the client, the app is very intuitive with no training required. In each transaction, your client can recategorize and also look at the tax guidance around what each category means. They can add a note. Here it says Travel to Client, which is visible in real time through the portal. They can create invoices very quickly, like this one here. Your client can put their own branding at the top of the invoice, and they can share that invoice via email. They can see how much tax they owe for a given tax year, so they can set aside the right amount for tax. And they have a clickable income and expenses report to manage their transactions. If they click into the self-assessment section, it's got an expandable report showing the details behind the calculations. That was a very quick overview of the Coconut Accountant portal and app. If you'd like to speak to our team, go to getcoconut.com/start, and if you'd like to invite your first client, go to accountant.getcoconut.com.